Love the G-Steel Casioaks, but craving a pop of colour? Well, G-Shock have answered your call with this new wave of releases bringing in almost the whole rainbow. In my hands is the GM2110D G-Steel metal covered Casioak with a vibrant splash of orange found on the dial. It's an absolute beauty to see in person, and this release includes 4 other colorways with a vibrant lime green, a trendy baby blue, a classic navy blue, and a white dialed model rounding it all out. Now, these models are the metal covered variants. So this case is, according to Casio, high rigidity glass fiber reinforced fine resin. So it sounds pretty strong, but importantly, the bezel and the band are both stainless steel. Unfortunately, no solar powered movements or Bluetooth connectivity in these ones, so it is back to that basic Casioak. However, battery life will be about 3 years, so no real worry there. At the usual Casioak sizing of 49.3mm lug to lug, 44.mm wide, and 11.8mm thick, they are fairly large both on and off the wrist. And they should be. With their octagonal bezel and strong exterior look, they should be on the larger side of things. Weight also clocks in at 146 grams, so fairly hefty. If I had to pick a color, I wouldn't look past this orange model. It's the most vibrant, the most colorful, and the most fun out of all of them. Though I do find myself eyeing off this baby blue or Tiffany blue model quite a bit. Let me know which one you would pick in the comments down below. A mineral glass would do its best to keep scratches at bay, but honestly, a G-Steel wears scratches better than any other watch. That is precisely why they have the shock and water resistance they need and are designed to be used in the real world. Remember, each scratch is a story, guys. Don't be babying your watches, especially not a G-Steel. Basic Casio functions like world time, a stopwatch, 5 daily alarms, and a fully automatic calendar are included, and you can expect an accuracy from this movement of plus or minus 15 seconds a month. So there you go, some new colourful metal covered Casioaks. What do we all think? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch related content, and I'll catch you in the next one.